In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
A group of women are in a gym. They are exercising together in a fitness class. Each woman is holding a dumbbell in both hands. They are doing lunges with one foot on a step platform. Their back legs are bent while their front legs are forward. The woman in the front is wearing a grey t-shirt and black leggings with pink stripes. She is holding two pink dumbbells. Her right foot is on the platform, and her left knee is near the floor. Behind her, more women are doing the same movement. They are spaced out across the room. The women are wearing sports clothes in colors like black, pink, purple, and gray. All of them have sneakers on. Some have ponytails or tied-up hair. The gym has a wooden floor and a white wall. There is a big mirror on the wall showing their reflections. Black step platforms are stacked near the wall. Colorful dumbbells are placed on racks. Some kettlebells are also on the floor. The room is well lit with strong white light. The women are all focused on their exercise. They are doing the same steps at the same time. It looks like a group fitness session. Everyone is working hard and staying in sync. The environment is clean and organized. The picture shows a moment of teamwork and training. It is about staying active and healthy together.